Neck stiff, shoulders tight, hips locked by lunge. Let's undo all of it before your day begins. This tension builds quietly, one scroll, one slump, one skip stretch at a time. This flow interrupts all of it and brings your body back online. By the final stretch, you'll feel like you just reclaim control of your posture and your day. Let's hit the mat. If you sit at a desk, drive, scroll, or even just sleep curled in, your chest is slowly closing in on itself. This is where we break that pattern. Stand tall or kneel comfortably. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Gently pull your knuckles down and away as your chest lifts. Feel the front of your body expand. Let this be the first breath of freedom your upper body had in days. Here's a surprising fact. A tight chest pulls your shoulders forward, contributing to chronic neck pain and even shallow breathing. Try lifting your arms just 1 inch higher without arching your back. Just 1 inch can change the game. Do you feel the tension melt right under your collarbone? That's the first layer of releasing, but there's more coming. Now that you've opened the front of your body, let's reset your shoulders and take back control of your posture. You've carried the weight of responsibility on your shoulders, but how long has it been since you let those shoulders rest? Bring your right arm across your chest. Hook your left arm underneath and gently pull it towards you. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. I promise this move entangles the knots you didn't even realize were stealing your energy. Keep your back tall and your breath deep while holding this. That's where real posture begins. Do you feel the stretch just under your shoulder blade? That stress finally letting go. Now switch sides. Next, we're going to unlock a sneaky source of tension that no one talks about, but you'll feel instant relief when we do. Your shoulders are on your side again. Now let's move up to the base of your stress center. Your neck holds secrets, whispers of poor sleep, bad posture, emotional tension, and this move speaks right to them. Sit or stand tall. Drop your right ear towards your shoulder. Slowly roll your head forward and to the other side. Take your time, no rush, no force. Just 60 seconds of slow neck mobility can increase blood flow to your brain, sharpening focus and calming anxiety. I promise you'll feel taller, clearer, and calmer after this. Keep your shoulders completely still as your head moves. Let the neck do the work. Do you feel how much range you've lost while working or scrolling? This is how we take it back. We've reset head and shoulders. Now let's go deep into the hips where so much tension hides. If your hips feel locked or stiff, that's a good chance it's not flexibility. It's mobility that's missing. Sit on the edge of a chair or the floor. Bend both knees, feet flat. Drop one knee inward toward the floor while the other stays up. Alternate slowly, side to side. I promise this will help you sit, walk, and even better by targeting your deep stabilizers. Internal hip rotations is one of the most neglected angles in all of fitness and flexibility. Try keeping both side bones rooted while moving the legs. Do you feel that deep pull inside the hip socket? That's a release you didn't know you needed. Hips unlocked. Now let's lengthen your torso and finish strong with posture and power. When you stretch the side body, you create space, not just in your ribs and spine, but in your breath and your brain. Stand tall, arms overhead. Grab your left wrist with your right hand. Gently lean to the right, feeling the stretch through your side. Switch after 30 seconds. This final move is your closing reset. But what happens after this video is what matters the most. Side body tightness contributes to shallow breathing and low energy. This reverses both in 1 minute. Keep your core gently engaged to prevent collapsing forward. Do you feel the stretch all the way into your hip? That's your entire side chain realigning. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burnt out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flow that reconnects you to your body. Scripture and mindset shifts that clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.